Good morning. Good morning. Just finished the live stream and I could hear a lot of noise. Hello. Where's everybody? There's two missing. Where are they? Don't pee in my house. Mommy, you got two puppies with you? Oh, I got one. Oh, look at these guys. Somebody follow. Oh. Just carry. Somebody follow JM. JM's going to see the neighbor. Alright, well, hi everybody. Welcome to our next video. This is Sunday morning. Just finished my live stream. And we got a lot of work to do. Look at this. Gotta clean up all this. I don't know. I like to employ people, but nobody around. There's still another dog missing. She's got one. How many we got here? We should have 5. 3, 4, 5. One missing. They're biting my toe. There's one missing. I worry. Where's the missing one? Oh. Okay, we found him. They all follow JM. Oh, it's too hard for them.
We follow Lily and stuck on the hole.
2 of them. You naughty, you're gonna be punished. They're heavy now, eh? Oh, they're all here. I feel sorry if they grow up and...
You notice, he's stuck on the hole and he cannot go up. Agan pa. Kapag. This one always out. This one.
The big one?
No, the small one. Where's the other one? This one there?
Oh, one missing. It didn't fall on the hole.
The big lady, come here.
Sometimes they go there because there was 6 before.
Come here. Yeah. So naughty, they go there. Come on.
It's so cute.
Come here.
Okay, I'm gonna have breakfast.
What are you eating there?
Yeah, let's have breakfast. I'm starving. First, I need to upload the last video.
Puppy, eat this.
I just got out of my office and found this on the table. Ready to eat. Sorry guys, I need to go. Yeah, time for breakfast. Hello you. You gonna take my chair? Daddy need to eat. Where you going with your Harley Davidson? I love you.
Buwan. Oo, sa mga rin paglakaw rin nga, yung maling tayo rin. Diri ba yun malibang ineng. Maugay pag kuan na to, mayan tag kwarta na. May styrofoam. You have the paint, my love?
Huh?
The paint.
What's the point?
The one I asked you to buy. The summer paint?
That's white.
Really big. You sure it's for
Oh no, that's not the one.
How
That's
about
for the bathroom.
the red, the yellow?
In the bag.
Where's the key? Bunga.
Careful.
Para
Ready to
plane.
go, look. Okay, going to town yesterday. I couldn't find any glue I used to use with a green container. So I got this one, acrylic flooring adhesive. So I have to use that, otherwise we'll never finish. That's a new. Anyway, we'll try to use this. Before doing that end, I'm going to install the stop water piece, if I may call it like that. Just go under the door to stop the water going to the rest of the house if there's any leak or any flood. Anyway, so okay, now I have to do under the door there. Should be right. After lunch, I can smell so nice. Okay, let's do this thing now. Okay, just let it dry now. Okay, the whole floor is done. And also under the door, so I have to just seal it there somehow. I'm putting those white because I put some glue underneath. Okay. Let's sink to dry now. Oh, Jam working hard too with her job. Look at the puppy, they're curious.
Do you eat the watermelon? Look, it's empty.
Oh, is that good for them? I don't know.
Maybe it should be good.
I didn't know dog are vegetarian. You're the tallest one up there. Huh?
It's a lady.
It's a lady. She's tall. She's gonna be big like the father. I hope so.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad to finish the floor of the bathroom. Have to let everything dry now. But what about the viewers? Said they're gonna come. We're coming now. Where are they?
Blah, blah, blah.
Well, too late. I drank all the beer, but yeah, still had to babysit because JM had a lot of work. So, despite that, I managed to do the floor at least. Anyway, so tomorrow's another day. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.